So which one should you choose if you only have a budget to buy one? The DJI Mavic 2 Pro and the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. I own a DJI Mavic Pro. So I've been using this for like the past 1.5 years and I'm loving it. I'm actually quite excited when I heard about the launch of these two new drones. DJI were like nice enough to like send this over for me to do the review. But I only have a week with it, and this past week it has been raining non-stop. And I can't find a good time to actually fly them. So I managed to like briefly test these two. So the moment when I start playing with the Mavic 2 Zoom, that's it. I don't even really want to play with the Mavic 2 Pro. So after flying the Mavic Pro for a while now, I actually get quite bored with like how am I going to fly. So basically, the shots would usually be either a top-down, flying straight, then after that moving, panning, the usual stuff. And so now with the Mavic 2 Zoom, I can actually do a lot more different stuff. The Mavic 2 Pro, the upgrade is basically a better sensor, and unless you are like doing a lot of night shots and you do a lot of photos, maybe this one will be a better choice for you. So being a Mavic Pro owner, I think that the Mavic 2 Zoom actually gives me like more exciting features and things that previously I cannot do it on my Mavic Pro. So if you are so used to like doing the droney shot where you just shoot back and then go up and then that can be done in almost all the drones. But what the Zoom can do that the rest cannot do is basically called the dolly shot. So the dolly shot is actually quite impressive. With you not moving and then the background just zooming in and then changing, that is like so stunning lah. So last time this droney shot is very difficult to achieve. But with the automated system by DJI on the Mavic 2 Zoom, it makes it so simple lah. And then you can get stunning shots and then people will keep asking you like, how did you achieve that? Where do you get that? Things that other drones cannot do, only Zoom can do now. And this is one great reason for me to get the Mavic 2 Zoom. And it's also cheaper than the Mavic 2 Pro lah. So with the zooming capability, you can actually have a different variety of compositions. So there is actually more pros for me to upgrade or to choose the Mavic 2 Zoom than the Mavic 2 Pro. I think this is a better investment for me. For image quality wise, Mavic 2 Zoom already has some improvement than the Mavic Pro. So it's already quite worth upgrading. It's just that the Mavic 2 Pro would actually have a much better quality. But if you are shooting most of the time in the day, it doesn't really matter. And the build quality of the lens is also pretty much improved on both the Mavic 2 Pro and the Mavic 2 Zoom. See, they are not as flimsy as before. So I saw a lot of YouTubers actually complaining that, it's actually quite difficult to put the lens cover back onto the lens. And these lens covers are actually quite essential when you want to transport the drones around. It's just to protect the lens. I find that it's actually not that difficult to do. Just need to do it slowly and then, just take your aim and then put it nicely. It actually can be done swiftly and easily too. I don't know why they complain. Oh, and another thing. So if you are a Mavic Pro user like me, and then you think that by upgrading, you can reuse the batteries and all that. No, cannot. So all your battery has to be scrapped or to be just only used by your Mavic Pro. And I really like that, now they have this all-round sensor. So it feels more safer to fly the drones now with a 360 sensor. And one very cool thing. So the other day I did my first night flight, right? I didn't read about that there was this LED thing below the lens. So wow, so at the night time when you're flying, you automatically light up when you are taking off and landing. So the whole world will know that you are flying a drone, no? It's like UFO coming down. Zoom. So if you want to fly discreetly, you may want to turn it off lah. I don't know whether, I didn't even check whether it can be turned off. And the flight time has been great, but if you want to do a lot of hyperlapse, right, which is quite time consuming, so the minimum intervals in the hyperlapse, they are like 2 seconds. So pretty much you need quite a long time to finish your hyperlapse. So if you like to do a lot of hyperlapse, I would suggest that you get more batteries, because one Hyperlapse probably will take you about 10 to 15 minutes to complete. So by the time you come back, it will be like draining out pretty much most of the battery. So it's hard for you to take the next flight out. So for Hyperlapse, you probably need to plan your resources, how to utilize your batteries and the flight time as well. So this is my quick review of the Mavic 2 series of drones. Tell me, which one do you like? You know, would you go for the Pro or the Zoom? Personally, I'm definitely the Zoom guy lah, because I already have the Pro from the last generation, and having a better sensor doesn't really make it very much exciting for me. So leave us a comment. Tell me, what do you think about it? And do remember to share and like the video, and as well as subscribe to us as well. See you next time. Bye bye.